The next stage of meiosis first is the metaphase. During the metaphase, the tetrad move towards equator. The tetrad move towards equator. That is center of the cell, equator. The tetrad attached with spindle fiber. Spindle fiber. The two homologous chromosomes attached with spindle fiber of this of the particular poles. Particular two homologous chromosomes attached with the spindle fiber, and these are with this particular pole. Suppose this is the cell. These are the chromosomes. This one is chromosome. This one is another chromosome. This is one chromosome, and this is the another. So these are the two pair of homologous chromosomes that is situated at the equator, and these are the poles. This is the poles, and this one is the spindle fiber. This is the spindle fiber. So the kinetochore of the chromosome is attached with the spindle fiber. So this is the discontinuous spindle fiber, discontinuous, and this one is of continuous spindle fiber. So here they are attached with. Both the kinetochores are attached with the spindle fiber. So this is the kinetochore, this one, this spindle fiber, this one. So they arise at the equator. We can say this one is of metaphase plate. This is the cell membrane or cell wall. This one is of pole. These are the chromosomes. And it is the very good stage for the studying of chromosomes. इसी में अच्छे से क्रोमोसोम की स्टडी कर सकते हैं. Both kinetochore attached with spindle fiber. यानी ये kinetochore इधर और ये kinetochore इधर इसके spindle fiber से अटैच हो जाता है. This is the metaphase 1. Then next stage is of anaphase 1. The anaphase 1 is of during the anaphase 1, the contraction is start in these spindle fiber. इसमें क्या होता है? ये spindle fiber इनमें contraction start हो जाता है. Suppose this is the another diagram. This is of metaphase first. This is metaphase, anaphase first. These are the two poles. So contraction occur in that spindle fiber. So they will move towards their poles, and these two homologous chromosomes will be separate from each other, completely separate. This is the anaphase, starting anaphase. From each tetrads here, from each tetrad, two chromatids of a chromosome, chromatid of a chromosome, दो क्रोमेटिड है किसी एक क्रोमोसोम के, ये दो क्रोमेटिड और ये इसके दो क्रोमेटिड, टू क्रोमेटिड ऑफ ए क्रोमोसोम मूव एज ए यूनिट, मूव एज ए यूनिट, that is died. These two sister chromatids died. If they are four, that is the tetrad. तो एक यूनिट के फॉर्म में मूव करते हैं, एक यूनिट टू वन पोल, and another tetrads, remaining two chromatids, move towards another pole, एक इस तरफ पोल जा रहा है, एक पेयर दूसरे पोल की तरफ वो मूव करता है, दैट इज टुवर्ड्स अनदर पोल, then resulting a half number of chromosomes present towards or move towards the pole, move towards each pole. यानी यहाँ पर टोटल कितने हैं, that is 4, 1 2 3 4. So in anaphase the one chromosome move towards one pole, another chromosome, homologous chromosome, move towards another poles. So end of this anaphase, I draw the late anaphase in which the chromosomes move at the pole like this way. And so half number of chromosomes present at each pole, so 2 here and 2 here, but it initially that 4 present in the single cell, and in this stage chromosomes looks V, J, L or rod cell or I cell according to the presence of their centromere. Centromere की presence के according ये V, J, L और I cell के दिखाई देते हैं, और number of chromosomes will be half at the end of this stage. Last one is of telophase. Telophase first. Initially I showed to you that telophase and prophase is the vice versa, दोनों एक दूसरे के अलग अलग होती है. तो यहाँ पे क्या होता है, क्रोमोसोम रीच ऑन द पोल, पोल पे पहुंच जाते हैं क्रोमोसोम्स चेंज into chromatin fiber. Chromatin fiber में चेंज कन्वर्ट हो जाते हैं. न्यूक्लियर मेम्ब्रेन reform न्यूक्लियस और न्यूक्लियर मेम्ब्रेन वापस से बन जाती है आफ्टर दिस. सो दीज आर द क्रोमोसोम रिवैम्प्ड. यहाँ पर वापस क्रोमैटिन फाइबर बन जाता है, न्यूक्लियस बन जाती है, न्यूक्लियर मेम्ब्रेन इंटेक्ट हो जाती है. सो इट इज नॉर्मली अपोजिट टू द प्रोफेज and cytoplasm divided into two daughter cells with the help of cytokinesis, that is cleavage methods or cell plate method के through cytoplasm two parts में ये divide हो जाता है. This is the end of the meiosis first, in which two cells is formed. During this telophase, the number of chromosomes will be remain half after the end of first meiosis. Here this is the meiosis first in metaphase. This one is of during this 4 chromosomes there at the metaphase states. In anaphase that homologous chromosome will separate, and this is the late anaphase. The again these move towards the pole, and last at end of the meiosis first, telophase first, that is chromosome reaches on the poles, they will again form chromatin fibers, reform the nuclear membrane, nucleus, but at each pole the half number of chromosome is there. These two on this pole and to this pole, so 2 will be here and 2 will be here, but at initial condition that 4 chromosome present in the cell, but here 2 chromosome present in the cell, but again these are the 2 cells is of there. After that cytokinesis is there, due to which that one cells divided into 2 cells. After the completion of meiosis first, no resting stage is there, no stage is present between 2 meiosis normally, but in some it may be resting stage is there, but normally after the meiosis first, meiosis second will start, in which first stage is of prophase second. During prophase second, that all events again takes place. That event is of chromatin fiber form chromosome nuclear membrane disappear, nucleus disappear, न्यूक्लियर मेम्ब्रेन डिसअपियर होती है, न्यूक्लियस डिसअपियर होता है, सेंट्रिओल्स डिवाइडेड, chromatin spindle fiber formed. Suppose here this is the 2 cells. Out of these 2 cells, this again they formed. This one is of disappearing nuclear membrane. Disappearing nuclear membrane. These are the chromosomes. 2 chromosomes in each cells. These chromatin fiber again reform chromosomes. These are the 2 chromosomes in each cells, nucleus, nuclear membrane. Here, these are the centrioles which form S2As and spindle fiber start to formation, not completely formed. Then after next stage is there, that is of metaphase second. This is of prophase second, metaphase second. During the metaphase second, the chromosomes take up the position at equator. The chromosome take up position at equator. Spindle fiber attached with kinetochore. स्पिंडल फाइबर काइनेटोकोर के साथ अटैच हो जाते हैं और क्रोमोसोम स्पिंडल फाइबर पर सॉरी मेटाफेज प्लेट पे आकर के इक्वेटर पे आके अटैच हो जाते हैं. अगेन आई say to you, it is the best stage for the studying of chromosomes. So these two stages, so here this one is called this is the metaphase plate, we can say the equator. This is another one chromosome, this is the another chromosome, and these spindle fiber attached with the same chromosomes. So I draw only one cell, not here. Some same cell is also here. So I draw again. I draw here. This is the one chromosomes. This one is of another chromosomes. So these all are chromosomes take up the position at the equator. We can say that is the metaphase plates, and this one is of metaphase second. After that, next is of anaphase second. Anaphase second start with the contraction of spindle fiber. Contraction of spindle fiber is there. Contraction of spindle fiber occur. So out of these sister chromatids, this here the two sister chromatids, there one sister chromatids, another one and one. These are both are the sister chromatids. In the anaphase second, the two sister chromatids is separated from each other. Two sister chromatids it's separated from each other. दोनों सिस्टर क्रोमैटिड्स एक दूसरे से सेपरेट हो जाते हैं, and each pore has haploid number of chromosome. Each pore has haploid number of chromosomes. हर पोर पे आधे आधे क्रोमोसोम पहुंचना शुरू हो जाते हैं आगे ऊपर, and DNA amount will be just again half from at the initial position. Suppose I draw here again diagram of this anaphase second. This is the anaphase second. This one pore. These are the two chromosomes, and this is again the chromosomes looks like J-shaped, V-shaped, L-shaped or rod-shaped, we can say, because which is according to the position of centromere. So this is of anaphase second. Last one is of telophase. The telophase again I saying to you that is just opposite to the prophase. Telophase second opposite to the prophase means nuclear membrane, chromatin chromosomes from some form chromatin fiber chromosome chromatin fiber में कन्वर्ट हो जाते हैं, न्यूक्लियर मेम्ब्रेन रीअपियर हो जाती है, देन न्यूक्लियस reappear हो जाते हैं with the help of satellite chromosome. A satellite chromosome present in the human being that responsible for the reappearing of न्यूक्लियर मेम्ब्रेन एंड न्यूक्लियोलस। सैटेलाइट क्रोमोसोम जो न्यूक्लियर मेम्ब्रेन और न्यूक्लियोलस के लिए होता है, और इस कंडीशन में दोनों पोल्स पे आधे आधे क्रोमोसोम हो जाते हैं, आधे हो जाते हैं जस्ट इनिशियल स्टेज से। इफ आई ड्रॉ द डायग्राम ऑफ टेलोफेज सेकंड हियर, this is the one pole, this one is another pole, this one pole, this is another pole. Again the nuclear membrane, nucleolus, we form that nucleolus and chromosome converted into chromatin fibers. After that, second cytokinesis is there, due to which the two cells will be separated, and this is occur through cleavage methods in animal cells and cell plate methods in the plant cells. If we compare now that chromatin material, this is the metaphase first. Here number of chromosome, how many chromosome? That is 4. End of that meiosis first, that is at each pole 2 chromosome is there, but after the end of meiosis second, at each pole that 2 chromosome is there, 2 here, 2 here, but the content, DNA content is comparatively here, that is the 4n, then 2n, and again here n. तो DNA content जस्ट आधा हो जाता है, 1/4 हो जाता है कंपैरेटिवली हियर। यहाँ पर DNA कंटेंट जितना है, that is if we say that how many chromatids is there, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 chromatids is there, but here 1 2 3 1 2 3 4, and here 8 total, 4 chromosome is there, and end of this stage 2 chromosome is there, but these 2 chromosome having half or haploid number of haploid contents, or that can say one sister chromatids, 2 sister chromatids होते हैं, उनमें से एक इधर चला गया, एक इधर, तो 1 and 1 2 यहाँ होते हैं एक सेल के अंदर, यहाँ कितने होंगे, टोटल 8 है, दैट इज 4th टाइम। तो यहाँ 4n है, यहाँ 2n हो गया, और यहाँ n हो गया। नंबर ऑफ डीएनए कंटेंट, वी कैन से डीएनए कंटेंट 1/4 हो जाता है, बट नंबर ऑफ क्रोमोसोम आधे हो जाते हैं आफ्टर द एंड ऑफ मियोसिस। यहाँ पर सिंगल सेल से आफ्टर द एंड ऑफ मियोसिस 4 सेल इज फॉर्म, आफ्टर द एंड ऑफ मियोसिस दैट 4 सेल इज फॉर्म, बट इन फिशिंग माइटोसिस 2 सेल will form. So this is the meiosis which is occurring in reproductive cells only.